Gemini inside Google Slides can plan and build an entire multi-slide presentation from a single prompt, and it can pull real content from your Drive files and even match the look of a deck that you already have. You describe what you need, it drafts a full outline. You approve it, and it builds the whole thing. Let me walk through this exact flow, start to finish. Step 1, log into the Google Workspace and select the application Slides. Slides is Google's presentation tool. Step 2, create a new presentation. Either you can start generating it by selecting this, or you can always click on File, New, and Create with Gemini. This is a new look and feel that Google introduced only this July 2026. For this presentation, we are going to use case for a real estate firm. Step 3, describe what you want. This is the most important AI wow factor here. Google will create your entire presentation based on just one prompt. So be very careful when you're crafting your prompt. Be very specific what this presentation is about. I want to summarize real estate team's Q3 performance. Who this presentation is for. We want to present this to our managing partners. Define how you want the format to be: clean, professional design. And then also mention how long you want this presentation to be, 6 slides. The more specific your prompt, the better your output will be. Step 4, ground it in your own files. So I'm going to add some sources. You can either add files from your Drive, or additionally, you can even give Gemini access to your Gmail, your team chats, anywhere where you have additional information that makes this presentation very valid. But for this use case, I'm just going to add from my Drive. So I'm going to go to my Drive, and I have 2 files that I uploaded. I created a mock file where I just have a list of properties, my agents, when was it closed, the listing price, status of the listing, and the number of days it was in the market. Okay, so I'm going to attach this file. I'm going to select this file, say add. Step 5, this is optional, but it is good to match an existing deck style. Click on your palette here, and then you can give a presentation style. You can either pick from the ones that Google already has some templates, or if your brokerage already has a template that you have used in the past partner meetings, attach it here. So Gemini will match that look instead of you rebuilding your brand colors and fonts every quarter by hand. Okay, I'm attaching my presentation style. Okay, and then I'm going to just submit. Step 6 is review the plan before anything is built. This is the step that almost nobody talks about, and this is actually an important one because Gemini shows you this plan first. It's just an overview, the sources that it is using, an outline for every single slide. Answering them gives you a better control than just skipping them. And select the preferred slide information density. Choose your Q3 narrative focus. Highlight top performances, successful agents. Address pipeline growth and pending opportunities. Presenting overall Q3 financial success. So I want all these things to be in my presentation. I want to highlight the top performers. I want to address the pipeline growth. Analyze number of days the houses are on the market. I'm going to hit next. Nothing is built yet. So any changes that you want, you can reprompt it and you can make the changes. So before it creates the entire presentation, it's saying these are the 6 slides it's creating. First one is title. Second is the Q3 performance, the entire efficiency analysis and strategic outlook. Okay. And once you approve it, then it will go ahead and build the deck. Saying it's carefully reviewing the instructions. It's designing the presentation framework. It's developing the visual style. We gave the reference deck as well, so it's going to match the branding. While it's generating this, you can open additional tabs, but don't close this tab while it's generating the presentation. It's saying, I'm now adding your actual text and images. I'm integrating active listings with pipeline values. It's detailing each agent's market performance. So you can see Gemini is not just copy pasting things from the spreadsheet, but is actually analyzing the data in the spreadsheet itself. Okay, it's done. It's created 6 slides. It's still working through it. You can see the arrow. So don't lose your patience while it is generating it. You can see slowly the data is getting populated. And remember, Gemini is actually analyzing this Excel data. It is interpreting how this data needs to be presented. So there is a lot of work the AI is doing rather than just copy pasting into the data. Wow, it says your slides are ready. Q3 team performance deck is ready. So let's check it out. That's beautiful. 6 slides. First one is Rivercrest Realty Group, partner update, Q3, very nice. And then it's giving the operation efficiency, closed volume, commissions earned, and active pipeline. Second slide is giving the agent's performance. Gemini actually did this analysis. Tyrell Banks achieved the highest individual performance with 5 closed deals. You can just appreciate the massive amount of assessment that Gemini has done in the slides. Priya Shah drives forward-looking growth with the highest pipeline volume. And then the team maintained high efficiency with an average of 25 days on the market. This is excellent. Any slide that you're not happy with it, every text is editable, every number is editable. I'm just going to select one slide, change the colors on slide 1 to blue. Wow, it actually changed and it made it blue, and it's asking me, do you want to replace it? I'm going to say yes. You can edit anything. You can ask Gemini to create more slides as well. So here I'm going to ask it to add one more slide that shows the current state of our Q3. So I'm just asking Gemini to add one more slide. Let's see what it does. It's done. It says a highly successful quarter marked by strong transaction volume and exceptional team efficiency. It's giving closed volume, commissions earned, days on the market. Excellent. I'm going to say insert. So now I have a 7-slide deck with Q3 executive summary that you can present to your partners. So remember all the time, just because you gave one prompt doesn't mean you need to end there. Every slide that it's built is fully editable. You can click on any text box, you can change it just like any normal PowerPoint. And we asked Gemini to add additional slides, it created. We asked Gemini to update one slide at a time, it did it. So just know that everything is editable. Okay, it's not just a flat export that you need to do. And let me do a slideshow. Beautiful. It's so professional, and it was all created from just one prompt, 4 lines to be precise. And once you're happy with it, and you can actually share this with your entire team. So this is where you select who you want to share with. You can give them either editor, viewer, any access, and then just hit send. And you all can work as a team, and the entire team can update this slide deck too.
Video will outline our team's performance, key metrics, and welcome to the Rivercrest Realty Group Partner Update, a quarter of the year. The third quarter of 2026 was marked by strong financial results. The team successfully closed 14 forward-looking growth. Our total active pipeline stands at over $6.8 million across 7 listings. Priya Shah is currently demonstrating our ability to move properties quickly and consistently across all agents. In summary, Q3 2026 was a highly successful period. With $6.29 million in closed volume, exceptional operational speed, and a strong pipeline of $6.84 million, the team is well positioned for continued success. As we look ahead to Q4, our primary goal is to convert our active pipeline into closed volume. By supporting our active listings and leveraging our proven operational efficiency, we aim to maximize our performance in the final months of the year.